Let's get to the point. My new and beautiful branch si His Beans Cafe, and I super respect that they hire our kababayans na hearing impaired or may other disabilities. This new branch is called His Beans Kitchen, is along Mother Ignacia Avenue near ABS-CBN. And I tried a total of 6 items. And let's be honest, this is not a sponsored post. I paid for my order. And ito ang essential information nila. By the way, may street parking sila and may paid parking din sa likod. The entrance of the paid parking is nasa left side nila. Maganda rin yung place in a brutalist concrete kind of aesthetic, pero thankfully, nabalance ito with an emotionally warm feeling space, as warm and friendly as their staff. I need to be honest also, I paid for my order pero may mga dumating na food sa table ko na for free. Their team wanted me to try some of their food for feedback. The 3 items I paid for were, number 1, matcha lemonade, 200 pesos. This was delicious, bagay pala ang lemonade and matcha. But I suggest they increase the matcha flavor pa by another 30% kasi na-overpower siya ng lemonade. Pero bagay ang combination. Number 2, matcha cocoa, 230 pesos. Quality ito, and when mixed, I found it delicious. Pero I'm not sure if others would like this kasi zero sweetness ito. Pero I respect that they wanted diners to really taste the matcha and the coconut water on their own. My suggestion, ask for sugar syrup na lang on the side. Number 3, signature latte, iced, 190 pesos. Delicious also. What made this different is meron siyang quiet saltiness na mix into the drink na bagay pala. Secret ingredient nila ito, which I will respect. Ang only suggestion ko is to style this drink mas unique pa, para maging mas unique enough to be a signature drink. The 3 items na dumating sa table ko for free were, number 1, Spam Kimchi Fried Rice, 540 pesos. Good for 2 ito. This was delicious. I can really taste the kimchi. And ngayon lang ako nakataste ng fried rice na merong melted cheese. Bagay pala. Parang gusto kong itry sa bahay. I suggest though you add some salt on the side when you order this, para may contrast sa sourness ng kimchi. Number 2, apple and brie cheese tower, 580 pesos. This was beautifully presented, absolutely delicious, and also surprising. Bagay pala ang peanut butter sa salad. And what's equally impressive about this, naglagay sila ng cheese and peanut butter on each apple slice. So I suggest you eat each apple slice in layers. Number 3, signature burnt Bass cheesecake, 240 pesos. This was beautifully styled also and delicious then. I love na super soft siya, to the point of almost melting, and nagustuhan ko rin yung quiet sweetness niya. Overall, nagandahan naman ako sa place. This was such a great first impression of His Beans Kitchen, and I encourage all of you to visit this cafe to support those who support our PWD kababayans. Click follow for the next story.